Hello, today we will guide you through how to clear Cloudflare cache. If you've made updates to your website and those changes are not appearing right away, clearing the Cloudflare cache can help ensure visitors see the latest version of your content. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process directly inside the Cloudflare dashboard in a simple and clear way. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to the Domains Overview area of your account. This is the main section where you can view the websites or domains connected to Cloudflare. If you manage more than one domain, this page helps you choose the exact site you want to work with. Once you're on the overview page, click on the sample domain. This opens the settings and controls for that specific website. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct domain before continuing, especially if you manage multiple properties, since cache actions will apply to the domain you choose. After opening the domain, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Caching. This section contains the tools Cloudflare uses to control how your site's cached content is stored and delivered. In general, caching helps your website load faster by serving saved versions of files and pages, but sometimes that also means older content can continue to appear until the cache is cleared. Inside the caching section, click on Configuration. This is where you'll find the main cache management options for the selected domain. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct area, because this page includes the setting we need to use to fully clear stored, cached content. Next, click on Purge Everything. This tells Cloudflare to remove all cached files for the domain, so the next time someone visits the site, Cloudflare will fetch fresh content from your origin server. This is especially useful after major site updates, design changes, or content edits that are not showing up publicly. Keep in mind that after purging everything, your site may briefly load a little more slowly for some visitors while the cache rebuilds. That's normal, and performance should return to normal as Cloudflare begins caching the updated content again. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the Cloudflare cache for your domain. If needed, you can repeat the same process anytime you want to force Cloudflare to refresh the content being served to your visitors.